So I've bought my first pull saw ever. I've never owned a pull saw before. And this is a Jorgensen 10-inch. It says durable, high quality, 0.5mm thin blade. The closest thing I have to this is my multi-tool, one blade on the multi-tool. I think I'm going to enjoy this. The only other Jorgensen product I have is this clamp. So let's see what this one looks like. I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of new uses for it. And I'll keep it safe somewhere. It looks quite nice. Now you're supposed to guide it with one hand.